Hi friends, this is new tutorial on SQL. So SQL is a standard query language and it is invented in 1987 and it is used to store and retrieve the data in databases as we know. To communicate with the database SQL needed. Okay, and SQL structure query language as we know that SQL is a structure query language and it is used for data manipulation means to change the data. Okay, and what is actually computer program? It is nothing but a sequence of instructions. It is written using computer programming language to perform specific tasks by the computer. Okay, and then what is computer programming? The act of writing computer program is nothing but a computer programming. And here it is the categories of PL, that is programming languages. As we know, the low level and high level are the parts of the categories of programming language. And in low level we can get machine level languages, assembly languages. In high level we will get third generation language, fourth generation language and fifth generation language. You can explore about the high level languages in the internet also. So next is MySQL database. And what is MySQL database? As I tell you that database is organized collections of structured information or a data. So if you take a table and sort that table with your IDs or roll number, then it will be the structured data. So that is about the MySQL. And MySQL is a relational database management system that is developed by Oracle and it is based on structured query language. So yeah, only this is about SQL in today's video. Stay tuned to get the next information on SQL. Do subscribe my channel.